Let's start by looking at the history of project management in Agile. PMI, the Project Management Institute, was established in 1969. And this classical project management form is a great tool for managing projects with a well-defined scope. The projects that have flexible and changing scope, however, were a real nightmare for standard approach until the Agile framework came about. Agile Project Management Framework is a response to this challenge in order to deliver value to the customer and balance flexibility and stability. In 2001, the Manifesto for Agile Software Development was created and signed by representatives from Extreme Programming, Scrum, DSDM, Adaptive Software Development, Crystal, Feature-Driven Development, and Pragmatic Programming. These groups of experts had convened to find an alternative to the traditional project management methods for software development. Based on their combined experience of developing software and helping others to do just that, the authors of the manifesto declared that they valued individuals and interactions over process and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, response to change over following a plan. That is to say, while both sides of this equation have value and the items on the right should be considered, the authors felt the items on the left should have more influence on how people approach their work. A gentleman named Scott Ambler explained those values. Tools and processes are important, but it is more important to have a competent people working together effectively. Good documentation is useful in helping people to understand how the software is built and how to use it, but the main point of development is to create software, not documentation. A contract is important, but it is no substitute for working closely with customers to discover what they need. A project plan is important, but it must not be too rigid to accommodate the changes in technology or the environment or the stakeholders' priorities and people's understanding of the problem and the solution. You can check the Agile Manifesto at agilemanifesto.org and review it for yourself. A manifesto sounds like a big deal, and it is a big deal. When you read this, it's pretty exciting stuff. The Agile Manifesto brings us 12 principles. These 12 principles are: 1. Satisfying customers through early and continuous delivery of valuable work. 2. Breaking big work down into smaller tasks that can be completed quickly. 3. Recognizing that the best work emerges from self-organized teams. 4. Providing motivated individuals with the environment and the support they need and trusting them to get the job done. 5. Creating processes that promote sustainable efforts. 6. Maintaining a constant pace for completed work. 7. Welcoming changing requirements, even late in a project. 8. Assembling the project team and business owners on a daily basis throughout the project. 9. Having the team reflect at regular intervals on how to become more effective, then tuning and adjusting behavior accordingly. 10. Measuring progress by the amount of completed work. 11. Continually seeking excellence. 12. Harnessing change for a competitive advantage. It should be noted that the Agile Manifesto outlines a philosophy of project management, while Agile Project Management Framework is built upon the principles and provides tools and techniques to help a project manager or scrum master to guide the team to deliver value to the customer.